So this is about 18 hours later. So that rebar was clean, like that part. That's all rust coming off the inside of the tank. And I'm changing my strategy. I'm going to put the whole thing in a box because the tank's going to be in a marine environment, which means I need to repaint it anyway, and I'm tired of this taking so long, so I can sort of conceal the lid and the rebar and make it a little safer out here on the front porch when it is completely submerged, and then I'll repaint the whole thing. And I also am going to kick up the amps. I'm going to put in a 20 amp fuse in my machine and see what happens.